Ah, g'day mate. It's just about to start a Weber. For the Friday. Essentially, the end of the year. Except I'll still be on call. Nice. There was something else flying over. It was way up there. I couldn't see what it was. Very blustery day. Nice weather though. It's not hot. Yeah. There we go. So Qatar A350-900 just flew over, and chasing him down is Singapore 787. He's a little bit higher. Ah. A lot quieter. Sexy looking thing. Really quiet. Anyway, I'm going back to tinkering. Oh, that's right, no, I was doing a Weber. I should do that. Don't mate. Bell 206. Don't see too many of these days. Nice. Red means it goes faster. Don't mate. Check it out. Another Cessna 337. This one's Zulu Echo Victor. The one that flew in yesterday was X-Ray Tango Alpha. It's a pity they're using the cross one though, otherwise he would have flown straight over me. Cool little planes. From Port Lincoln. G'day mate. Ah. The old A350. That sun is bright and hot, and I'm still crook. God dang it. Still going to be watching airplanes though. Oh yeah. Ta-da mate. 777. 180-degree turn. I was just chatting with Pete. Now I'm wondering if I've got what he had. I bloody hope not. That'd suck. Ta-da mate. Qatar 5 Heavy. Nice. It's a little cooler than it was yesterday. It's currently 20 degrees. G'day mate. Old A350. Nice. Ah, sneaky bugger. Air tractor, 802T. G'day mate. G'day mate. I heard you coming into the clouds. That's a 777-200 out of the clouds. Inbound for Adelaide. Ta-da mate. Well, bugger. Here comes a 787-10. There he is. Stealth mode. G'day mate. Oh, it's quiet. Idle descent. Give it the berries, mate. Come on. Singapore. And right behind him, well, maybe a couple of minutes now, they were side by side. Here's an A350-9 into the fog. The fog being the clouds. Oop, there he is. Boom, there he is. Distractions. Stop it. Look what it did to the cloud. Yeah, well, I said he was right behind him. I wasn't lying. He's right there. Pity the 777 that comes in, usually at about 10 to 9, wasn't flying in at around the same time. It'd be a proper race. Three-way. That's a bit louder. Upside down. Nice. G'day, Qatar. G'day, mate. Bring back your 777-300, buddy. Mind you, the A350 does look nice. Hello, mate. We're going to get back to work. Not work. Back to tinkering on cars. Into the clouds. Yeah. Actually, I better check and see if he does the same thing. He's a little bit lower. There you go. Back to work. Hello, mate.